What AI is so useful for is to process all this very big amount of data. And so AI already now can replace animals in animal experiments when it comes to toxicology, because AI can kind of elaborate on what consequences that will have on a certain body. It can process that with all this very huge amount of data, and there are studies demonstrating that AI comes to better conclusions about which substances are to what degree toxic than animal experiments. So it's already used in toxicology. But in regard to the long run and if it will be able to replace all animal experiments, I don't know, but I just have the hope that it will. The development of AI is a really fast-moving process, and research, especially in the humanities, is rather slow. I think we definitely need more research now, and I would call for like all of the ethicists and philosophers to engage with the topic and to ask, for example, how AI can be used to establish just interspecies societies within democratic structures. We definitely need more research on that.